Here binomial mean an algebraic expression consisting only two terms in it will be called as a binomial, whereas here we are going to multiply such two binomials. Now we are going to consider the first binomial in this case as a plus b, whereas a is the first term and b is the second term. Then the second binomial as c plus d need not to take only positive sign, they can be separated by means of the either the negative sign also. They can, two terms can also be separated either by positive sign or by negative sign, then will be called as a binomial. So here we have considered a plus b as the first binomial and c plus d as second binomial. So by using distributive law of multiplication over addition, that is twice, that is two times, then we can get the what is the product of such two binomials. So now let us consider, or let a plus b be the first binomial in which a is the first term and b is the second term, and c plus d as the second binomial in which c is the first term and d as the next term. These are the two binomials. By using distributive law, over addition, that too twice, we are applying the multiplicative distributive law over addition two times upon the multiplication of two binomials, that is a plus d and as well as c plus d, then only, so here we can get the result or we can find the product of two binomials. So here I have said that we have to apply the multiplicative distributive law over addition twice, that is two times. So here now I am going to perform the first case, that is in the, by applying in the first place, by applying as the first case, we get the left distributive law. Now we are going to apply the left distributive law upon the two binomials a plus b and as well as c plus d, that is, so a plus b into c plus d equals 2. Since we are applying the left distributive law, so left side binomial is of a plus b and right side binomial is of c plus d. Since we are applying left side distributive law, so we have to multiply with the left binomial which is a plus b terms with the right side, that is the second binomial c plus d. That gives us a into the second time, entirely second term, second binomial, that is c plus d, plus second term of the first binomial into entire bracket of the second binomial. So here this can also be written as, say here a must be multiplied with c first of all, then a with d, and similarly binomial, so here polynomial or the binomial multiplied with the monomial, so we have to multiply b into c and b into d. So in this manner we will be getting, so a into c as ac plus a into d as ad plus b into c as bc plus into plus of plus and b into d as bd. So in this manner, so I will be getting, so a plus b into c plus d as, so ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. So here this is the result which we got by the left side distributive law or left distributive law in the product of two binomials. Then in the second case, that is case number 2, in case number 2, that is right distributive law, is right distributive law. So in this case, the two binomials that to be multiplied are of, one is a plus b, the other is of c plus d. Whereas since we are applying the right distributive law, so here right side binomial is of c plus d and left side binomial is of a plus b, and the right side has c plus d. So here c plus d, each and every term of the right side right binomial must be multiplied with the entire bracket, that is with the left binomial. So that gives us the right distributive law, which is nothing but, so c into entire bracket, that is the left binomial, plus d into, or in other words we can write as here a plus c into, so a plus c into a plus b into c also, so say d into a plus b. So here that gives us c into a as ca plus c into b as cb or bc plus d into a as da plus d into b as db. So in this manner I say I got a plus b into c plus d is equals to, so here a into c as ac plus b into c as bc, d into a or a into d as ad, then now b into d or d into b as bd. Then now this is the right distributive law, ac plus bc and ad plus bd. So whereas here in the left distributive law ac plus bc and ad plus bd, so both use the same. So in this manner we got a plus b into c plus d as ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. So here this multiplication can also be performed by the method called FOIL, FOIL. Then now note, under this note, the multiplication of two binomials can also be obtained or got by FOIL method. So here FOIL gives, F gives the first terms and O gives us the out terms, and I gives us the in terms, and L gives us the last terms. So here FOIL method, so here we have, so we have to multiply the product, multiply the two binomials, that as one as a plus b and the other as c plus d. So here we have the product of two binomials, say one is a plus b and the other is c plus d. Then so a plus b into c plus d is equals to, so by FOIL method we can get the product here. So let's see, by FOIL method, F stands for, so F stands for first terms, that is, so your first terms they are of, say in a plus b and c plus d, the first terms are of a and as well as c. So here we have to multiply a into c, that as ac as the product of first terms. F stands for first terms product, that is first terms in these are a and c are the first terms, so a into c is ac. So in this manner we got, I say here, so here product is what I say here, ac. Then now O stands for out, that is outside terms. Outside terms are of a is outside and as well as the d is also the one of the outside. So here outside terms are of a and d, then now inside terms are of b and c. So we have to multiply, O stands for out, so here we have to multiply outside terms, that is a and d. So here we will get the result as A into D, that is AD. Then now next letter is of I, that is in terms. So here the terms which are inside the two binomials, those were, so here in terms are of, so here B and C are in terms, we have to multiply. So here I stands for I say in terms. So inside terms are of B and C, so B into C is of BC. So here as the third term. Then now last letter is of L. L stands for last terms. So here that is last terms are of first terms are of A and C, and the last terms are of B and as well as D are the last terms. Since A and C are the first terms and B and D will give us the last terms, so B into D is of BD. So that is the last one. So here therefore the product of two binomials, that is A plus B and as well as C plus D, is nothing but the sum of all the terms, that is FOIL. So here we got AC as the first term, the F, and plus AD as the next term in case of O, then now plus BC as the third term in case of I, plus BD as the last term in case of L. So in this manner, so we got the product of two binomials, that is A plus B into C plus D as AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. So we can also perform the multiplication of two binomials diagrammatically.